Navya and ojaswi channel. So today we are going to make an amazing dish. It's very yummy, delicious. Your water will come in the mouth when you keep baking it. So let's start making it. First, I'm going to tell you the ingredients. The ingredients, we need 4 slices of bread, sauce, and a bowl to mix the items, carrot, paneer and cabbage, some black pepper, salt and butter. If you're making for the kids, then don't add red chili or green chili powder. Okay? So let's start. First, we're going to add our cabbage. So let's put it. We're going to use the spoon to put all the vegetables. I have to bring the bowl here. Now we are going to put the cabbage inside the bowl. After we are done with the cabbage, the leftover cabbage here, I'm going to put it in the bowl. So I've done that. So now I'm going to put this fluffy paneer. So we use the spoon, but we are not using it this time. Because this cabbage will stick on the paneer. We have added some carrots too. If you don't want to add the carrots, then you can't. If you don't want. Okay? So let's drop it. Now we are going to put this carrot inside again with the spoon. So let's put it in. Look at this carrot. It's stuck. Let's mix it up. Now we are going to put the black pepper and the salt. First we are going to put the black pepper. Put the salt. After we are done, we are going to mix it. So now we have to done stuffing it. So now we are going to take a bread slice, take a butter piece, cut the butter, take some, put it on it. So now we have put in the butter. So now we are going to put the butter and the bread down. So now we are going to put the paneer, cabbage and the carrots over the bread after we're done. Just I'm going to remove some because it will be long. You can't handle it. So I'm going to stir it. Now we are going to put this yummy sauce. So don't put that much. Then it will get spicy because it's a little spicy. Sauce is a little spicy. So here we go. We put the sauce. Now we have a slice of butter and a slice of bread. I have put in some butter on it. Now we are going to cover this bread. So now we are going to put this sandwich in the sandwich maker. You know there will be some lines, right? Now my sandwich is ready to eat. Yum yum yum. If you like this video, sure to subscribe and write in the comment if you like it. Write yes. If you don't, just write no. I will write yes. Now it's ready to taste. So now let's taste it together. Look at the smiley face. My mom made it for me. So let's pick it up. Taste it. Yummy. And come on.